Hi, I'm Pastor Sarah, aka Disorganized.Religion on TikTok, where I have over 150,000 followers. Today I'm going to give you one of my tips for creating viral content on the platform, and that is take a break. Some creators will tell you you have to post every day in order to be successful on the platform. That is simply not true. When you're building an audience, sure, regular content creation is great. At the beginning, you're doing a lot of experimentation with different styles, lighting, filters, techniques, and you're learning who your audience is and how best to engage with them. But even when you're brand new to the platform and trying to build an audience, you're unlikely to create great content if you're burnt out or uninspired. You're also not going to have the energy to engage kindly in the comments or muster the patience to support the audience you gain from those views if you're exhausted. I've personally taken breaks as long as a month, and this summer I'll be on sabbatical, so I'll be away from TikTok for 3 months. You're right that ministers get 3 extra months off every 5 years. Some of us do. We call it a sabbatical. So you just leave for 3 months and work on our spiritual renewal, rest, education, and growth. And I'm not worried my audience will disappear. In fact, followers respect and appreciate that I'm modeling self-care. Your fans need you to be healthy and whole, and they will be okay without you. Think about all the famous singers who disappeared for decades even, only to come back with hit songs. And while those singers were away, their fans were fine. And yours will be too. And they'll be thrilled when you come back. Remember that if you take a break from creating content, you can still participate on the app, promoting other people's videos by sharing them and reposting them. Although a complete break from TikTok is also something I'd recommend. TikTok will continue sending people your videos while you're away.
For example, this video that I did back in 2020 is trending today.
So a break is also a chance for your fans to see some of your less viral content that may still be amazing, but that got lost between other popular posts of yours. So with that, I'm going to follow my own advice, and I'm going to take the time I need to rest and recharge on this sabbatical. So happy creating, and when you decide to take a break, enjoy your time off.